Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Old England, a small historic community in southern Manitoba, nestled along Highway 9 just north of Selkirk and west of Little Britain. This charming area got its name from a graceful old church, St. Tuba. Andrews Anglican built in 1893 using local brick and designed in a traditional English Gothic style. The building features steep gable roofs, buttresses, and stained glass, and it stands as a beautiful tribute to the settlers who brought their faith and traditions here. Though the congregation moved away, the church has been lovingly restored and is now known as the Old English Church, serving a new generation and keeping the spirit of its community alive. The community lies within the rich prairie landscape of Manitoba's Red River Valley, an area shaped by glaciers and once part of vast Lake Agassiz. It sits on Treaty 1 territory, the homeland of many Indigenous peoples including Cree, Ojibwe, Dakota, and Dene, and settled European newcomers began arriving in the late 1800s. Today, Old England blends its rural roots with a peaceful countryside charm, where the restored church stands as a symbol of both history and hope. Driving through, you will find open fields, quiet roads, and a heartfelt sense of heritage that connects the past to the present in this lovely corner of Manitoba. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Old England, Manitoba. Thanks for watching.